boss girl along with my buddies. Say hi. And we are now off to Goa. हम पूरा दिन बॉम्बे में थे because we had our train at night. So I'm gonna make vlogs on South Goa and North Goa. So stay tuned and we'll reach there by morning 8. So yeah. So guys, I just reached Madgaon station and बाहर हमारी कार वेट करी होगी, the rented one, and we are going to go to the Palolem beach and it's 8 AM in the morning, so let's get our breakfast done and reach the location. Guys, we took this Swift. We are just doing the paperwork. We took this for 6 days and then we will be done with this and then good to go. Guys, it's 6 PM in the evening and I am at the Hilltop Seaview Resort. It's a private beach area and us side Palolem beach hai. I'm gonna make you explore that today and it's sunsetting and I couldn't vlog where we went Palolem mein, so I'm gonna show you that. It's going to all be lighty and I'm gonna show you the south beauty today. So yeah, let me take you there and show you the view as well. This is Kolam Beach. This is where I am staying. We have our friends here this side and this is the view. And there's that sun setting. And that side, after the rocks, that side we have the Palolem Beach. So I'm gonna make you explore that side. So let's check out that. And this is the way to the beach. So guys, today at the first day I am at the Kolam Beach, which is a private beach. You can see it gives so much of Bali vibes. And this is our villa, the Hilltop Sea View. It's that side. And if you look right side, stones ke us par we have Palolem Beach. And this side we have Pednem Beach, right? So yeah, I'm gonna make you explore the beautiful south beaches. And you can see there we have Monkey Island and we are going to go peak-high there and show you the monkey beaches. So stay tuned and let's go. That was my beach and after this there is Palolem Beach. So yeah, we are gonna go by stairs and show you that view. Guys, you can see here we arrived to the dusre side, which is Palolem. Wow.
So guys, this is the Palolem beach.
It's more of where you can see people are chilling. We have the beach huts over here, lines and good restaurants to eat from.
Even this beach is called the heart of South Goa.
So as you can see, we have lines, beach huts and shops to shop from the Goan collection. Of course, the foreigners and everyone. So Russian people and everyone prefer the south side more because it's more beautiful. So they are my guys. आजा भाग के स्लो मोशन में. So guys, it's our day 2. Good morning guys. Good morning. So कल हमारा फर्स्ट डे था तो हमने हमारा जो सामने वाला बीच था एंड बाजू वाला बीच था हमने वही एक्सप्लोर किया. Even we were very tired. So today I'm gonna take you to the places, Kola Beach and what not. Right now we are gonna have the breakfast. So yeah, let me take you to the places. So guys, this is the last road off and you can see riders. And here we parked our vehicle and this is Palolem Beach there. And the Palolem Beach. You got huts, beach huts over here as well. And this is not very populated, but it's nice. And we are here at 11 a.m. Maybe that's why. So there's a small island as well, so you can go by boating. And this is my friend clicking dogs. He always keeps capturing them, which is really cute. So guys, this is Kolam Beach, and it's very, pretty clean. Really great if you want a peaceful beach in Goa. This is how it is. Less populated and very much of peace in it. So guys, right now we came to see the second beach, which is Kalgi Bagh beach, and it is said that it's a turtle nesting site, Kalgi Bagh. So let's hope that we get to see the turtle, but यहाँ पे छूना नहीं allowed है, or else you have to pay 25,000. So let's just see. This is how the beach looks. All the beautiful south beaches are less populated and really clean as well. That's why I guess the turtles and every activities are taken here so peacefully. And guys, this is Kalgi Bagh beach. This is how it looks. So guys, they say this is the turtle nest, and this is the season of nesting, and 45 days baad the eggs nest and they come
They
out.
even wrote the date of laying eggs.
Yeah, see, this is the dates they are gonna nest. And they say the turtle comes at night on the beaches. अंडा डाल के चले जाते हैं. So guys, at Kalgi Bagh we didn't actually see any single turtle. Maybe it's a wrong timing or something, but yeah, we didn't see it. Beautiful South Goa roads, and it's a reduced vibe. Here is the Kopa de Rama, and guys, this is the entrance of the Kopa de Rama fort. You can see this is how it is. It's a really old fort and it speaks about its Goan history. So let's visit there. And this is how the entrance looks like.
This is Kopa de Rama Fort.
So guys, this is the route towards the sea, and so this fort ends and there you can see the sea view. You get the sea view. So yeah, let's go and check out the view. And here you go. Let's see how it is. There, the view. So guys, let's enter and see how the view is gonna be right from the wow. Just look at that. So यहाँ पे end होता है the fort and you get this view. So it's totally worth coming here. I thought it's just a old fort. Yeah, get this view. Wow. And guys, ये रास्ता है नीचे जाने का from the Kopa de Rama fort. The view is amazing. Can't wait to go there. So guys, I'm just enjoying the view. It's so beautiful.
700 years old.
700 years old.
Yeah, because the church itself cover already 600.
Okay. And now we are having the Nibu soda. Cheers, guys. Cheers. No. So guys, right now we are going to the Kola beach, which is the most beautiful beach of South Goa, and it is like there's one side river and one side beach, and I can't wait to visit there and click some great pictures and experience it. Excited. And the road is also so beautiful. It's little inside with these kind of roads and the rider. And यार स्कूटी का यही फायदा है. And this is the roads which are the most of the struggle to getting the Kola beach. And the intense jungle view. Guys, इतना अंदर था फिर भी look at the parking. So guys, this is the start of the Kola beach from the top. So let me get you there. So guys, this is the view of the Kola beach. Totally worth it. Oh my god. Are you guys ready to see the Blue Lagoon? This is that side. Wow. So guys, if you want to explore the South Goa, this is the most beautiful place to visit in, and I think we are going to spend our sunset here only. You can see the lagoon and the beach this side. So the salty water and the river water. So beautiful that is. Wow. Also the beautiful beach huts here. I wish I could stay here, but yeah, we have limited days in South Goa. But this is such a beautiful place. Wow. And look at that, guys. Look at that. This place is just so amazing to stay in here. So guys, I wish I could just swim in this water, but I didn't carry the extra clothes. But this water is so good, the river one. And check out the view. It's amazing. And the sun is also setting, guys. So yeah, do come here and experience this South beauty. Also, you get the kayaking here as well, but we are going to do it in Palolem. But this is so awesome. Vibe hai. Guys, a very good morning. It's our day 3 and it's 7 a.m. in the morning, and we are now going for the kayaking, and we will find the kayaking person that side on the Palolem beach. So let's get there. Here we reached the beach, Palolem beach, at 7:10, I guess. So guys, Titanic Beach Cafe के सामने we found our first option of kayaking. So let's know the rates. How much?
205.
Okay. So you get it for 200 rupees per head, and you get 2 people and 1 people option for the kayaking boat. Guys, we got it for 600 in total, which means per head 150 रुपए हुआ, और हम लोग 2 people वाली kayaking ले रहे हैं. So let's go and get that life jacket on. So here you go with the life jackets.
Okay.
Wave pool.
I have tried the boat, but उसका चप्पू तो मुझसे मैं गोल गोल ही घूमते रह जाती हूँ.
वो उसके चप्पू इसके चप्पू अलग रहते हैं.
Let's go, guys, and try this out.
Kayaking.
So now he's telling us what to do, what to not, to do it better.
Okay. ये देखो मैं बाहर.
Akshay, see you.
Hi. Let's go.
Let's go. So guys, we are सनराइज व्यू एंड वेटिंग फॉर आवर फ्रेंड्स जो वहाँ पे अब तक आ नहीं रहे हैं
वो
और
लोग-
हम यहीं पे गोल गोल घूम रहे हैं।
who are losing by the way.
वाओ स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि
So guys, that is the Shark Rock.
That is the Shark Rock right there. We got it. So guys, हम वहाँ थे. यहाँ से पूरा घूम के that island we came to this. And now Ishan is posing with the shark stone. Wow, Ishan, you are so creative. Say hello to my public, bro.
Hi public.
So we reached here. Thanks to Akshay for teaching me this.
We are pros.
We are pros now.
We are bros and pros as well.
गाइस ये लोग अटक गए थे वहाँ से चल चल के आए हैं बेचारे. हम यहाँ पे वेट कर रहे थे इनका. ये देखो इस बेचारे को देखो गाइस.
हमारे
ये देखो एंकलेट लिए मैंने.
Don't carry.
What?
Don't carry anything. Only carry your mobile phone. हमारा
And
wallet,
that too in
sunglasses
this.
पानी में भीग गए.
What the fuck?
शेल्स भेज दिया इसने.
So guys, after kayaking, we just packed up, checked out, and now we are having our breakfast, and probably now you're gonna see the next North vlog. So guys, that's it for this South Goa vlog. I hope you guys liked this vlog. We were here for 3 days. It was just amazing. Do visit these places. South Goa is such a beautiful place. More peaceful. Of course, North Goa is happening. So stay tuned for the next vlog. And what, guys?
And guys, do like, share and subscribe my friend's channel.
Yes. So see you in the next vlog, which is the North Goa vlog. Bye bye.